In terms of appearance design, the 2024 Livan RL7 450 Honor Edition continues the design style of the on-sale model, but the LED front and rear lights are reduced, while the active closed-air intake grille under the front frame is retained. In addition, the new car also cancels the hidden door handles, replaced with traditional door handles, and 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, replaced with 17-inch steel wheels, 215/60 R17. It is positioned as a pure electric compact SUV with a body size of 4,690 by 1,892 by 1,650 mm and a wheelbase of 2,775 mm. In terms of interior design, it uses a double-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel, a 9.2-inch LCD display and a 14.6-inch floating central control display. 15.4-inch central control display is optional. At the same time, the new car continues to use the gear shift mechanism. In terms of configuration, the new car has cancelled the Longying One Car Chip Plus Crystal Virtual Interactive Assistant System, so the car only supports relatively simple functions such as GPS online navigation / car 4G network plus Wi-Fi hotspot / OTA upgrade / voice recognition control. In addition, the new car also has rear parking radar, rear view image, electric tailgate, remote start, artificial leather seats, manual adjustment, driver's seat ventilation / lumbar adjustment, 2 speakers, full LED headlights, dual-zone automatic air conditioning and other features. As for the power unit, it is equipped with a front single motor with a maximum power of 120 kilowatts, 163 PS, a maximum torque of 240 Nm and a maximum speed of 150 km per hour. In terms of battery life, the new car is equipped with a 50.4 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack provided by Yuan High-Tech, has a CLTC pure electric range of 450 km, and supports fast charging and external discharge functions.